besties, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day today. I am just getting everything ready to start doing some art on these nails. We got 3 lavender ones and 2 cream color ones, and those colors come from the Mifa Secret Garden collection. When I pulled that over that second time, I just spilled alcohol on my leg. I'm serious. Now I'm having a hard time deciding which nail to start with, but we chose that one. And we're going to come in and zoom in real close and make a flower. This is going to be a floral blingy set. And I started the flowers thinking I was going to do one thing and ended up doing something else. Which I'm sure you know what I mean, right? If you do nail art, you know what I'm talking about. So what I ended up doing is I started making these flowers by making the dots. But as we continue, you're going to see that I leave the dot method behind and go into doing more of a line method. And I found that that worked a lot better for me, and you'll see what I mean by that coming up here in just a minute. So we're just using this really bright pink modelones cream gel. And I am painting on these flowers. We're going to have some pink flowers with lighter pink middles that is provided by some white polish, which again, you'll see that in just a minute. And we're going to have some other colors as well. And I do actually, there's going to be some leaves on this too. You know what they look like. You saw the thumbnail. There's some leaves on here too, and I make one of the leaves this color. And only one. And I actually had meant to do more, but I didn't. And that was a mistake. So, oops. But you'll see. You'll see. I think they came out pretty cute even with the mistake. I'm actually pretty happy with them. They're very fun and kind of groovy, baby. Kind of groovy. I hope, like I said earlier, I hope you're having a groovy little day. We're still on fire here in California. Excuse me. The one that's really close to me, the creek fire, that is very close to me. Not as close as a friend of mine who is like 6 or 7 miles away from it, which is terrifying, you guys. But I'm really close. So our air quality is still pretty bad. And frankly, it's awful, you guys. I am so blessed that I have not lost my home, though. So many people, I'm not sure why I pulled out there. Interesting. But I don't think you've already seen me do one super up close. You know the process. So anyway, I'm lucky I haven't lost my home, or, you know, all the firefighters. You guys are just rock stars. And we definitely, now we're coming in a little closer, I guess. No rhyme or reasoning to this editing I did, I guess. I'm a weirdo. So now we're just coming in and we're adding that little bit of pink in there. And doing it this way, what I like is that it sort of outlines itself. You don't really have to come back in with an outline. And you could probably do something like this with a 1-stroke, but it would be hard to keep it that clean with just that skinny amount of color. So maybe not. Maybe not. If you can, let me know. Oops, I didn't realize that I didn't have that centered up enough. Guys, please forgive me. There we go. Look at me fixing it myself. Sorry about that. We're just doing a little... Oh, I didn't like that flower, so we're going to start over. I didn't like that one, y'all. We're going to start over. And I forgot I had done that. That's so funny. I do that a lot, though. I often just remove. Look at how perfectly that started off as a little heart. That's so funny. Oftentimes, I start something and don't. Okay, before I finish that thought, I should have left those with just dots. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. That was cute. I think I'm going to do a flower set with just dots as like an accent on the petals. That I thought was really, really cute. So here you go. I started with that line method now. I'm not trying to, the dot thing was driving me nuts. And I just thought I'm going in that shape and direction anyway, and it's easy to just spread it out, because really you're making like a balloon shape, right? 5 little balloon shapes. And I just thought the line lent itself to that shape better. Wow, for a second there my tongue didn't want to work. In this one we're just doing a little of that teal green, that tealy, almost minty, honestly, green when you look at it in person, but it does lean a little toward the teal side that we got. This came in that Model 1s thing. But anyway, like 15 thoughts ago I was saying that oftentimes I start something and just wipe it off because it doesn't look right. I think this one's my favorite. I should have done more of them with the brighter white. But a lot of times, guys, even like there was going to be a whole different video, but I couldn't make it work, so I scrapped everything I did and started this one. And this one worked out okay. So hopefully one day I'll be able to get the other one done. But you know, sometimes you can't. Now we're using that same tealy sort of color and coming in to make these leaves. Although on another nail, one of the leaves will be that pink color for no reason. Thought I should have done it more, and I forgot, I guess, as I was going, that I had made one pink, and so I didn't continue in that trend. And that's my oopsity doopsity for this set. There's always one, guys. There's always one oopsity doopsity. Now I'm just, see, there it is. There's the pink one. I didn't show making it clearly, but there it is. There it is. Some of this is sped up pretty fast. Usually I only do like double time, which is what this is right here, double time, but then sometimes this video was kind of long, so I sped some of it up a lot. And here we are coming in with the middles on the flower. I'm just doing 3 dots of the yellow. And now we're going to bling it up. Gonna bling it up. Now we're going to bling it up. Bling it up. I don't even know what that was. It's definitely a song I'd sing here at the house by myself, though. If I was doing nails, I'd grab my bling tray, this little thing here, and go, time to bling it up. Bling it up. And I am using the Model 1's clear poly gel to put these on. Because it seemed like it would work really good for that. And I was just using that janky little brush to clean up the area around it. That one is a janky little brush. It's a little messed up, you guys. So what I'm doing here is just graduating the sizes down. And we're going to do, you know, large, medium, small. And then we're going to go small, medium, large, right? With a different color. They're both AB though. The top ones are pink, the bottom ones are clear ABs. You can see it's not a huge difference, but it does give it, I thought, a little interest to the blingy. I don't know. You could go either way. You could even do each color different if you wanted to, or do all the colors the same. That's the thing about nail art. There's so many options, and you can have so much fun with it. And now we're going to add a little to these nails that only have leaves. Honestly, guys, I feel like the nails that only have leaves are my favorite ones in this set. They have like pizzazz. They have flair. And I mean, so do the flower ones. I love those too. I'm not saying I don't like them. I'm not even saying I don't love them. I do. I just, you know, there's always that favorite nail, right? Now we're just putting we're just doing a little gathering of 3 around there. I don't know. I have this thing about 3s, I guess. I don't know. But there's always a favorite, right? You always have a favorite in the set. What, you know, that one nail that just sings to you, right? And I guess for me right now, It's these little leafy nails. It's probably because I'm hungering for fall, right? Hungering for fall. I'm ready for the weather to change, which honestly it is changing around here. It is starting to change. Top coat time! The temperature is dropping, which is good for the firefighters and getting those fires out. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty, you guys. I hope you like them just as much as I do, because I am digging these nails. Let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see me do on the channel, because I would love to hit those requests for you. We're hitting them on the 5s and the 9s. Oh, that was old radio station talk. Sorry. There was something in the nail. Do you see it? I was just getting that off. And now we're just hitting that last one. And I know I always say it, but make sure you are careful around those blings. You do not want to get them with top coat. And look at that, guys, all shiny and pretty. I think these would be nice matte as well. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section as well. And while you're down there, click those buttons. They really help the channel grow. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for coming by. Mwah! Bye-bye.